I'll put a starter on this A4 Audi. It's a little challenging because one bolt goes in like this, the other one goes from the other side. Go through this threaded hole and connect in. The other bolt is extremely tight and it comes in from the other side. Starter goes in on the passenger side. 8mm Allen head, long extension. See the flywheel and the two bolt holes that we're gonna go after. Push the starter up in there, just kind of wiggle it in past all the hoses. And the hex bolt in by hand. And as far as you can by hand. Then we can ratchet it in the rest of the way. Don't ratchet it up too tight. We still need to get the top bolt in. The bolt we get from the top, it's extremely tight in here. Down past the catalytic converter, all the way down to this hole right here. Push it in until it hits the starter. Tighten it up with a 16mm socket. There's not a lot of room down in there. Snug it up at the top first, then we'll get the one at the bottom. To break this bolt loose, I had to use a crowbar, and I went between the catalytic converter and the wrench and pushed really hard until I was able to get it loose. Very tight quarters in there. Snug it up at the bottom. Make sure the battery is disconnected because you don't want any arcing down there. Two terminals that look similar to this that go on the nut. Place one on at a time. Then we'll put the second one on, put the nut on, plug in the solenoid, and snap it into place. Though the starters are very similar, the connector's different. Put a jumper wire in just to verify it works. Spade connector into this side. Their spade up into there. Get it connected temporarily with a jumper. Crank and see how it works. Perfect. Need to deal with the connector, but at least it starts. That's how you put a starter in an A4 Audi.